Speaking as a man, as a, criollo at that, is, we go through things, but we go through it calado. Don't mention it, don't talk about it, just deal with it. What we don't realize is we're letting it pile up until you can't handle it. And that comes in a lot of different ways: depression, stress, anxiety, all kinds of things. I'm about to touch on something, I'm getting goosebumps. I'm about to touch on something right now that I've never touched on before in my videos, podcasts, or with anybody outside of my circle. A lot of times for us men, I think people in general, but men especially, kabuverdianu, we don't talk about our issues, our problems, and a lot of us go to drinking, we go to alcohol, and we know that drinking and alcohol is a big part of our culture. You can never go to a Cape Verdean party or an event without there being alcohol in the picture. And for me, I coped with stress and depression with alcohol. I drank a lot just to deal with the stuff that I was dealing with internally, until you realize that it was only temporary. And in the long run, it was actually making you more depressed, because alcohol is a depressant.